Get set to make $100 every day using just your phone in a matter of minutes. Join us as we delve into the latest apps of 2024 that make earning effortless, no special skills needed. This approach is suitable for everyone, whether you're an online expert or a curious newcomer. Transform your daily app usage into a consistent $100 income. Immerse yourself and uncover the secrets to swift, simple, and gratifying online earnings. Starting our exploration with the first app, Honeygain.com. Honeygain is a unique platform that allows you to share your excess bandwidth or internet data and, in return, earn compensation in the form of charming bees, which can subsequently be converted into actual money. Honeygain receives high praise from the Trustpilot community, boasting an impressive 4.5-star rating based on reviews from over 12,000 users. The platform's commendable reputation is further validated by recognition from esteemed industry authorities, including Forbes, Entrepreneur, Yahoo Finance, Benzinga, HackerNoon, and IBT, all of whom have acknowledged its excellence. A notable feature is the capability to monitor your anticipated earnings, which is directly correlated with the amount of traffic you contribute to Honeygain's network. The more you share, the more you can earn. For instance, sharing 20 gigabytes of daily traffic can result in a passive monthly income of $180. Payment options provide flexibility, allowing you to choose between PayPal or cryptocurrency. Additionally, you have the autonomy to decide when to share and when to pause, coupled with the added advantage of 24/7 customer support. Transitioning to the second app in our lineup, we introduce Repocket.co. Much like Honeygain, Repocket empowers you to monetize your unused data, catering to your preferences whether you're utilizing a Windows PC, Mac, Android device, or iOS device. This application functions on a global scale, allowing users worldwide to effortlessly earn money. Simply activate the app, even if you're not actively using it. Sign up and begin sharing your unused internet data until you reach the $20 withdrawal threshold. Withdrawals can be processed through either PayPal or a Wise account. Unfortunately, cryptocurrency and gift card payment methods are not available at this time. The third highlighted feature is Earnit.gg, offering a unique chance to acquire diverse gift cards by engaging in activities like gaming and watching YouTube videos. Registration is free and open to individuals worldwide. Accumulating points, known as diamonds, through participation in popular games and videos enables users to later exchange them for actual currency. The app capitalizes on your gaming and viewing experiences by showcasing ads and sharing the generated revenue with you. Impressively, Earnit has distributed over $140,000 among its 80,000 users. It is compatible with Android, iOS, computers, and laptops. The withdrawal options are varied, including Amazon, Steam, Google Play, PlayStation gift cards, and even cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin. Now, let's explore the fourth app in our lineup, Bananabucks.co. This platform provides a chance to earn rewards through survey participation and answering questions. Bananabucks is accessible worldwide, and the app is free to use. Completing the initial survey ensures a $1 payout, and substantial earnings can be achieved for surveys lasting 8 to 10 minutes. The only restriction is in the payment method, as Bananabucks exclusively utilizes PayPal for payouts. Pause for a moment. If you've been enjoying this video, now is the ideal moment to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Simply click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our future uploads. Now, let's resume with the video. Next up in our lineup is the fifth app, GoBranded.com. Branded surveys, much like Bananabucks, provides you with the opportunity to turn your opinions into earnings by sharing them with different brands on the app. The sign-up process is completely free and open to individuals worldwide. Initiate your journey to making money online by installing their app on your mobile device. The process is simple. Register for free, complete uncomplicated surveys, and share your thoughts on various brands. Payment options encompass PayPal, Amazon gift cards, Visa gift cards, or direct bank transfers. Now, let's turn our attention to the sixth app in our lineup, Lootup.me. Lootup offers a chance to earn rewards through daily tasks such as surveys, playing games, online shopping, and watching videos. What adds to the excitement is their weekly and monthly contests, where prizes can go up to $5,000, coupled with free giveaways for a chance to win cash. You can withdraw the rewards earned on Lootup through diverse methods, including Visa cards, Amazon gift cards, Walmart gift cards, various cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, and direct transfers to your PayPal account. With an impressive Trustpilot rating of over 4.4 stars, LootUp is established as a verified company on Trustpilot, further affirming its reliability. Available globally, this app has a minimal $1 earnings threshold for withdrawals. The only limitation is its current exclusivity to Android mobile devices. Nevertheless, iOS users can access LootUp through the Safari browser on their devices, offering an alternative to kickstart their online money-making journey. Now, let's delve into the 7th app on our list, SurveyMagic.co. This versatile application caters to both Android users through the Google Play Store and iOS enthusiasts via the Apple App Store. True to its name, SurveyMagic delivers actual cash rewards for completing straightforward surveys and expressing your opinions, collaborating with numerous brand partners affiliated with SurveyMagic.co. At the outset, you receive a 20-cent reward per survey, with the potential earnings reaching over $3 for surveys lasting 10 to 12 minutes. Available in numerous countries globally, this app is freely accessible from any part of the world. While the app stands out for providing real cash rewards, it currently exclusively supports PayPal as the withdrawal option. Now, let's turn our attention to the 8th app, Macadam.app. Macadam takes a distinctive approach by offering rewards for the simple act of walking. Compatible with both Android and iOS devices, this app goes beyond geographical limitations, enabling users from any corner of the world to earn money through walking. The appealing aspect here is that you earn payment in euros each time you go for a walk. The coins accumulated on Macadam can subsequently be converted into real money deposited into your bank account. Now, moving on to the 9th app in our lineup, we encounter Rewardy.io. Boasting an impressive Trustpilot rating of over 4.6 stars and holding verified status, Rewardy establishes itself as a trustworthy platform. Users, on average, withdraw more than $6.75 daily, contributing to a cumulative payout that has surpassed $470,000 to date. Accessible in nearly all countries, this application provides various methods for earning, including watching Twitch streamers, listening to music, watching trending videos, and playing games. With a modest withdrawal threshold of $2, users can cash out through a range of options, including various cryptocurrencies like Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, PayPal, and an assortment of gift cards such as Visa and Amazon. Finally, we'll delve into the 10th and concluding application featured in our list, Prizes.Gamey.com. This globally accessible app, compatible with both Android and iOS devices, provides an exhilarating chance to make more than $100 per day by participating in captivating online games. With this, we conclude our diverse compilation of applications, each presenting distinctive avenues for earning income on the internet. Concluding our session for today, if you found value and enjoyed this video, kindly show your support by giving us a generous thumbs up. Don't miss out on future content. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our upcoming videos. Once again, this is Ideas from Chaos. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to having you in our next video.